Hi, welcome on this tutorial to show how to build a circle circumscribed to a triangle using the geometry app on macOS. We are going to show 3 different methods to build this circle. The first 2 are very easy and very fast, and third one just takes a minute, but is very interesting for the purpose of this tutorial. So in all 3 methods, we're going to need a triangle. So let's start to build one. So the easiest way is make a triangle by 3 points. So I'll double click there. The instructions ask me to click somewhere to create. I'm going to click here, here, and here. And here I have my triangle. So in the first method, we just go on circle and we select circumscribe to a triangle. Double click, it asks to select a triangle, we select it. In the second method, we just say points, triangle, circumcenter of a triangle, and we choose a triangle, and here we have the circle, the circumcenter. So from there, we make a circle that has as a center this circumcenter, and as a point on the circle a vertex. So I double click, I select the center of the circle, and I select a point. And here our circle goes through all 3 points of the triangle. Let's show the third method. So if you remember your classes, to build the circumcenter of a triangle, you need to intersect all 3 line segment bisectors of the triangle. So that's what we are going to do. So select line segment bisector, double click, and you can select the first line segment, and then you repeat this operation with the 2 other line segments. And here we have our intersection. So we can check that even if we move the triangle, the 3 line segments bisectors always intersect in the same point. So that's a good thing. So now we need a point at this intersection. So to do so, we go in points, intersection, it's the intersection of 2 lines, and I select 2 lines. Up here we have a point. Notice how this point is smaller than the other points. That's because we can move the other points, but we cannot move that point. That point is at the intersection of lines and it's highly constrained, so you cannot move it. It will move if you move the other points, but you cannot move it. So we can check that the distance from this point to the other points is the same. So we can look for the distance between this point and this point, between this point and this point, and this point and this point. Okay, it looks very similar, and even if I move, yeah, so it seems that this point is really at equidistance of all 3 vertices. So we can just remove those. And now let's build a circle circumscribed to this triangle. So we have the center, so we just need a circle by a center and a point. So let's choose this point as the center and this point. Here we go. You can see that if I move the triangle, the circle always goes through all 3 points. Now let's make the drawing a bit cleaner. We should mark those as construction lines and hide them. So we can right click, go in parameters, mark as hidden, And I can repeat the operation in a different way with the menu, have a multiple selection, and mark both as hidden. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Let me know if you have other questions. Goodbye.